Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, thinking about Gerbera daisies. Love and hate, they are pretty wonderful in a design, but sometimes they're just too droopy. The heads won't stand up, and you end up having to wire them. Is it the best? No. Is it your option? Yes. My favorite way of wiring is to use an 18 gauge wire. Tape from the top all the way down to the bottom. Give yourself a nice, clean, finished wire. Then, at the very top, scooch it down just a little bit to expose that bare wire. That way, when you go to insert, it goes in cleanly. Then, just gently wrap, nice and snug, down to the bottom, and bend the wire right back up, and you're ready to design. Do we love to wire flowers? No. They're better left alone. But do we need to? Yes. And now you know the professional technique.